Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making sugar cutout cookies, and these cookies come in different shapes, forms, and tastes, to be precise. This is also a different one. The only difference is that in today's recipe we won't be adding any milk or water. We are just going to use dry ingredients to achieve what we want to achieve for these cookies. Ingredients for today's cookies include 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 250 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of salt, 200 grams of icing sugar, a tablespoon of vanilla essence, and that's about it. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Now we move on to combining all 4 ingredients with the aid of our hands, like making a meat pie dough. After the dough is obtained, I'll then wrap it in some cling film and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes. After that, I'll remove it from the fridge and then roll it on my work surface. Then use the cutters that we'll be using today, which is the round, the flower cutter, and the small star cutters to cut out the cookie doughs nicely. Then I'll arrange it onto my serving tray for now. When it's time for me to bake, which is about 5 minutes to 10 minutes after that, I will remove each cookie from the serving tray and then arrange them nicely on a parchment paper covered baking sheet. Then let it rest for 5 more minutes and then bake at 160 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. If you leave it in the oven for too long, it's going to get burnt since they are very little. After baking the first batch, we move on to baking the second batch since everything can't fit on the baking sheet. When it is done, I remove it from the oven and then let it rest on a cooling rack for about 10 minutes. Then I moved on to arranging it in the aluminium bowl that we'll be using for our delivery today. This is also part of the order that I made some days ago. this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.